Here. Look, we have magic slippers. Let's go.
Guys are weirdos.
We're the weird ones, okay.
Yeah, we're the weird ones flying kites with no air.
You're so mean and after I help you.
Probably trying to help you. Don, come here.
No.
Oh my god.
Hurry!
Please say to the mom.
It's John Lloyd.
Christian Roy Manalo! That's good, eh?
1, 2, 3, smile.
Ow! Move. For a radio?
There's a video.
I have my speakers and I have my iTouch.
Ando sa isang tubo.
Apo, you can wait.
Wait. Oh. Look at the bathroom.
Peekaboo.
Too close.
Open up this window.
This is cool.
You could barely fit up these stairs, Ida.
Shut up.
Oh my god. Crouch down.
Wait, I'll give you guys my speakers.
What if freaking in the middle of the night, right?
Wait.
You wake up and then you forget and you're just like, boom. Videotape it.
Ow. Let's. Hi. Me.
Lagay mo sa taas, please.
Oh, wow.
Wanna get my speakers? Hoodie. Oh.
Ow!
Dude, that's her.
Where are my pillows and stuff?
Wait.
Take a video of me walking downstairs.
Let me find my iTouch.
He just had it.
Lo, baka bag mo, nandun pa sa kotse.
Yeah.
I bought a heater.
You did?
There's no safe kids. Get it the other way. Ow! These things hurt.
Calm down.
Look, I caught Christopher. Look.
Where?
Right there, my pillow.
Oh, mine's right here. You bought both of them? Oh, you only brought one. The small one, huh? That's disgusting. Go downstairs.
And slip.
Here,
What?
take it.
I can't reach it.
Oh.
Give it to me right here.
Hold on. I'm gonna go down.
In the car. Okay, it's upstairs.
Ow.
Swear we.
This detour. We got this.
Booty in the face. So yung nga kung tumatong ito. Alin?
Ay, kayo, may nakal. Ano to?
May kanin. Tsaka prito. Oh.
Say hi, Ma. It's a video.